Model, 69-plate Renault Master Business Rear-Wheel Drive, LL35 dCi 130 low-loader Luton box van. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 134,667. Engine, 2,299 cc M9TC7 front-wheel drive 130. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, air-con, 2 keys, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.